Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to copy and share YouTube video link. So let's get started. Well, we're gonna do this in an easy and simple steps. So first, make sure that you're connected to the internet and download the app on your device. And after getting the application, choose the video you want to share its link. For example, here I'm gonna choose this one. So tap on the three dots here. As you see here, we have a list of options. So we're gonna choose the fourth option, or share. After that, choose copy link. And as you see here, your link is copied successfully and you can share it wherever you want. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.